The journey of fresh milk begins long before it reaches the factory floor. Each day, specialized refrigerated tank trucks arrive at the facility, carrying carefully collected raw milk from certified dairy farms. These vehicles are designed to maintain a constant cold temperature, preserving the milk's freshness and quality during transport. As the trucks enter the receiving bay, the factory's automated systems guide them into position for unloading. The first stage of the process is inspection and sampling. Trained technicians collect small samples from each delivery to test for temperature, acidity, fat content, and purity. Advanced laboratory equipment quickly analyzes these samples to ensure the milk meets strict quality and safety standards. Only after passing these tests is the milk approved for processing. Once cleared, the milk flows through sealed stainless steel pipelines into large, temperature-controlled storage silos. These silos are designed to keep the milk chilled and protected from contamination. Sensors continuously monitor temperature and volume, allowing the control room to track every liter of milk inside the facility in real time. From storage, the milk moves into the clarification stage. Here, high-speed centrifugal machines spin the liquid to remove any remaining natural impurities, such as tiny particles or air bubbles. This process ensures a clean and consistent product before further treatment. The next step is standardization. In this stage, automated systems carefully adjust the fat content of the milk. Cream is separated and then precisely reintroduced to achieve specific levels, such as whole, low-fat, or skim milk. This guarantees that every bottle or carton leaving the factory meets exact nutritional specifications. After standardization, the milk enters the pasteurization process. It flows through a series of heat exchangers, where it is rapidly heated to a controlled temperature for a short period. This step eliminates harmful microorganisms while preserving the milk's natural taste and nutritional value. Immediately after heating, the milk is cooled just as quickly, ensuring both safety and freshness. The cooled milk then passes into the homogenization stage. Powerful pumps force the milk through extremely fine valves at high pressure. This breaks down fat molecules into tiny, evenly distributed droplets, preventing the cream from separating and giving the milk a smooth, uniform texture. With the core treatment complete, the milk is now ready for final preparation. It moves through a network of sterile pipes into holding tanks that maintain strict hygiene conditions. The entire system is sealed and cleaned automatically using advanced cleaning-in-place technology, which circulates hot water and food-safe cleaning solutions through the pipelines to ensure a contamination-free environment. Next comes the packaging phase. The milk flows into a fully automated filling line, where containers move along conveyor belts under precision filling nozzles. Each container is filled with an exact measured amount of milk, then immediately sealed to protect the contents. High-speed cameras and sensors inspect every package, checking for proper fill levels, secure seals, and correct shape. After sealing, the packaged milk passes through labeling and coding systems. These machines apply product information, batch numbers, and expiration dates, ensuring full traceability throughout the supply chain. Any package that does not meet the required standards is automatically diverted from the line. The finished products are then transferred to a refrigerated storage area. Robotic systems organize the packages into pallets, stacking them efficiently for transport. Temperature-controlled conditions are maintained to keep the milk fresh while it awaits distribution. Finally, delivery trucks are loaded in an organized sequence, guided by digital inventory systems that track each batch and destination. This ensures that the milk reaches stores and customers quickly and safely, maintaining the cold chain from factory to shelf. Inside this modern milk factory, Every step of the process is driven by precision, automation, and strict hygiene. From quality testing and temperature control to advanced packaging and digital tracking, the entire system is designed to deliver a safe, consistent, and high-quality product. This combination of efficient technology and careful quality control reflects the standards of modern food manufacturing, where innovation and responsibility